Hello everyone, my name is Lakshita and I am an architect by profession, and that's pretty much all that you need to know about me right now. This is going to be my first video on this channel. Technically it's not the first video because I think there are already 2 to 3 videos, but I am going to consider this one as my first because all of them are poetry videos from some of the open mic events that I have been to in past few years. So why we are here, why we are having a conversation like this, and what's the point of this channel right now, we'll get to that in a minute. Before that, there are 2 to 3 things that I would like to share in the beginning itself. So I will try to keep the video in Hindi and English because मुझे sure नहीं है how many people are going to watch it, be it 5 people or 10 people or 50 people. I'm not expecting anything over that, but even if it's 5 or 10 people, I am pretty much sure that my friends are going to watch these videos. So if I keep the entire video in Hindi, it is going to be difficult for some of my friends to understand, as I have friends from my college. I did my bachelor's from Kerala, so I have my Malayali friends there, so it would be a little bit difficult for me to convey my thoughts like that. So I'll try to keep my videos in Hindi and English. That was the first thing. Second is I am going to fumble a lot, at least in the first few videos, especially this one, because I do not have the skill as of now to sit in front of the camera and speak very fluently. I'll try my best and we will evolve eventually, but at this point it's just not there, so please pardon me if I fumble or there are awkward silences in between. Then the third thing, I do not have a proper setup as of now, so there will be background noises for some time, so please bear with me. After that, so coming back to why this channel, what we are going to do here and what you can expect from this video. So it would have been a much more easier task for me अगर मैं आती in front of the camera once I have achieved something, be it weight loss or any sort of glow up or after achieving something, because after that it मेरे लिए easy होता ये बताना कि okay, I tried this and this works, so you can try that. But I feel there are the struggles in between the journey that are as important as the journey itself, and I as a person is in middle of a lot of things, so I feel, and पिछले कुछ दिनों में I have been in conversations with a lot of people and I found out that there are a lot, like beyond my imagination, there are people who are like me, who want to do something great or who are aspiring to be someone or something in particular, but it's just they lack something at present. It could be anything like consistency, self-motivation, self-worth, or maybe resources. When I say resources, I don't clearly mean money. It could be anything like your time management skills, your emotional stability or mental health or anything for that matter. So there are struggles that we face during the journey, so this channel is going to be about all those struggles. I am not here to give you any pep talk because I myself have not achieved anything great per se. So the entire motivation and the entire motive behind this channel is if I go back in time and मेरे पास वो 4-5 साल फिर से हों, so there will be certain things that I would like to know, so I want to do the same for the upcoming generation, not the upcoming generation as in a way, I mean those who are in 11th or 12th class or my juniors from school. So because there are a lot of schools and places where लाइक जो मेट्रो सिटीज़ में नहीं है, जहाँ चीज़ों का एक्सपोजर उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. एंड बाय द एक्सपोजर आई डोंट मीन कि एक्सेस टू यूट्यूब और एक्सेस टू फोन्स और थिंग्स लाइक दैट. I simply mean there is no one to guide you, because in schools we don't have subjects like emotional regulation or ethics. So ये सब चीज़ें हम बहुत लेट इन लाइफ जाके डिस्कवर करते हैं, which are really really important, and they are even more important than our regular subjects, because once you are emotionally or mentally stable, then only you can move forward and do things which you want to pursue in life, for that matter. Then what we are exactly going to do on this channel, I am not going into some particular niche. I understand that a lot of my friends, my mentors and people suggested me that I should pursue some specific niche, only then I can build something. But to be honest, that's not my intention behind coming on YouTube. And you must be thinking कि अगर व्यूज़ नहीं चाहिए या उस तरह का कोई मोटिव नहीं है तो why YouTube? It's to be very honest and selfish reason. If I tell you, the selfish reason is I want to be accountable. I have lost the ability to be accountable, consistent, so I just want to gain that back. And while I am doing that, if it helps somebody else who is going through similar dilemmas, I don't think there's any harm. So yeah, that's what we are going to do. And if I have to explain in a little bit more detail, we will be talking about a lot of things. For matter, I think we will be talking about a lot of books. We will be talking about architecture, not about the buildings, but what it teaches us. Then we will be talking about our mental barriers. We'll be talking about our patterns. We will be talking about a lot of influences that we have on us today, and how they impact our growth. And we will be trying out a lot of different things, and yeah, that's about it. I think we can together do these things. Like I am not sure how we are going to do it, like whether these will be the challenges or whatever, but yeah, this is all that we are going to try, because I as a person am very curious and I like to try out a lot of things. मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें ट्राई करना अच्छा लगता है, चीज़ों के बारे में जानना अच्छा लगता है. और मैंने देखा है कि there are a lot of people who are like me. तो दिस इज़ अ मीडियम टू कनेक्ट विद ऑल ऑफ देम. एंड हम अलग अलग चीज़ें ट्राई करेंगे, अलग अलग जॉनरा की बुक्स ट्राई करेंगे, अलग अलग फील्ड्स की चीज़ें ट्राई करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल फिगर आउट व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर अस, बिकॉज देर इज़ नो हार्म इन एक्सप्लोरिंग. द वर्ल्ड इज़ अ ह्यूज प्लेस एंड वी कैन एक्सप्लोर एज मच एज we can, so there is no harm in that. So we will be doing all these things. What you can expect from this channel is that you are going to grow with me, because we will be taking small steps. They are not going to be like transformative steps कि आज ये हुआ 7 दिन बाद ऐसा हो गया. So it's not going to be like that, and it is not going to be a motivational channel कि okay ऐसे करते हैं. I am not a very big fan of motivation. I think consistency and discipline is something that I would like to pursue more than motivation. I lack consistency, so I think that we are going to figure out how we can be consistent during this journey itself, and we will try out different things, and I will let you know if it worked for me or it did not, and we can try these things together, and you all can also join with me in these challenges. By challenges I don't mean कि okay 7 days हम ये करेंगे देखते हैं क्या हुआ. It's more going to be mental challenges. Okay, we did this for these many days and these are the impacts that it had on our mental, physical and emotional health. So it could be boring for a lot of people and it is absolutely fine, बिकॉज हम सब लोगों के अपने अपने डिफरेंट interests होते हैं. Some do not like these kinds of talks and somewhere this was also the reason because मुझे इस तरह की बातें करना एक्सप्लोर करना अच्छा लगता है. एंड इन आवर फ्रेंड सर्कल ऑल्सो सब लोग एक जैसे नहीं हो सकते हैं. सो but out there in world there are a lot of people who have similar interests, so this is a safe space, I can say. It's a good place to share experiences, share our journeys, or share different things that worked out for सब लोगों के लिए. So हम just try कर सकते हैं. तो this channel is not about perfection, it's not about me preaching something or me telling you okay you have to do this, you have to do this. It's about me telling myself okay let's try this, maybe it will work, maybe it will not, but this is going to be something very honest. As you can see itni video mein bhi I have fumbled a lot of times, so yeah, so it's going to be just raw and honest. You can expect honesty here, you can expect self-regulation and self-building here. I cannot guarantee you कि यहाँ पे आपको कुछ सब perfect मिलने वाला है, but yeah, we will move towards perfection at least, and we will try to polish our skills, be it public speaking for that matter, reading books or anything for that concern. So we will try out different things, and I think I am getting pretty monotonous while speaking all of these things, so we'll just end this video here. If you have any suggestions or feedbacks, do let me know in the comment section, and whoever is watching this video, thank you and Jai Hind.